Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zikri Daniel. So my group mate with Sudarshan Rao. So we divide the task into two section. For me, my part is doing the exercise one, which is try to execute the code and close the project solution. And for the Sudarshan part is to debug the code. So first thing first, we need to install the Visual Studio 2019 or other version. So it doesn't matter you want to download any version. So for my recommended, I try to recommend you to download 2019 because it's more stable than 2020, which is the new version. So this is Visual Studio 2019. First thing for the exercise one, we need to open a project or solution. Try to click the file. So my file I already saved for the lab one. So click the lab one, choose the project and open. At here we can see the simple code uh, from the file. So how to run the assembly code. So it's not hard because there are steps. So this is the simple code for the assembly code. How to run it? First thing first, we need to go to build. Try to compile first to see the code is success or unsuccess. Because if the code have unsuccess, we need to check back so that there are not other issue to run the code. So look at here, all is success, then we can try to debug. So go to debug and click the start debugging F9. So it will come out at the terminal. So I try to share to you guys. Try to stop and try to share the terminal. So this is the result from the assembly code. We can see at here EAX until the PF1 looks like the exactly same in the lab one hands-on. Okay, so we can close it by push enter. So try to share back my Visual Studio. So the next part is try to close the project. Click the file here and go to the close solution. And at operation, we try to rename back. So lab exercise 1 and enter. So that's all from my part. So the next part will be continue with Sudarshan, how he want to try to debug the code and then try to solve the problem. So this is my part. That's all from me, and thank you very much. So,
Hello everyone, I am Azri Aziz from Section 01 for course Computer Organization and Architecture. Today, me and my partner Sudarshan Rao will be discussing about Lab 1 Exercise 2. First of all, open the Visual Studio version 2019 or 2022 if you guys have. And then click Open a Project or Solution. Go to the Lab 1 Exercise 2. Then project.sln, open the file. will display a coding that you guys saved from the irvine.zip. Then you guys have to press build, go to project, and then go to the properties. Scroll down, go to the linker, advanced, scroll down, and make sure image has save exception handlers. Switch it to no, and then click apply, and then okay. After that, you guys have to go to the build, press build, and then build solution. The output must be display 0 succeed, 0 fail, 1 up to date, and 0 skip. If you guys have the same output, it means you guys did the right thing. And go to the debug, press F10, which is tab over. It will display a black box and source not available. You guys have to click the view disassembly, the blue one, and click F10, which is tab over. Okay, for now, Rao, you can continue.
Okay, thank you, Azri. So from now, you need to go back to the main ASM. So after going to the main ASM, you can go to the debug and go to the Windows. And then we need to go to the watcher. First, and then go to the watch one. I'm already at here, I already opened here watch one. So I don't need to do it again. After going to the watch one, you need to go to the memory and open it memory one and also register. Okay, and then here it shows the well 1, well 2, well 3, which is values, and also a final value, which we programmed over here in the code. And the values over here are hexadecimal, this. And then it comes to the memory part over here. So memory part, this is the address. So when we want to check the address of the value 1 or value 2, we need to use a apprehensive, which is the sign is this sign. So for example, I want to see the final value. So I just enter and I got here this one address of it 000. Other than that, we can check see for other values, which is like 1, and you can see here there's a change in over here. And then let's move on to the registers over here. So registers over here is the one where the calculation happens, where the adding and also subtraction. So to make sure the calculation happens here, we need to press back F10. So let's press F10 now. For example, wait, press F10. See, here we can see it is 1000. And then you press again an F10 and you can see it added with 4000. So it formed 5000 over here. And then another time. And then this because 3000 because it minus the 2000. It subtract the value 3. It subtract it to 2000 and you will get a 3000. And you go back and this final value will store the result, which is 2000. So when you check back at here, the address of a final value, let's see. There will be change. Just now we saw that it is 000, but now it's 003. So there's a change, which means our program is successful. Then you end the sum by pressing again F10 and it's end. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you very much.
Here.